This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Food safety teams in Madhya Pradesh are checking milk, ghee, mawa and sweets before the festival season. The latest tests have raised concern over the quality of ghee sold in the state. A total of 25 ghee samples from 8 cities have failed quality test. 9 samples failed in Bhopal, 7 in Indore and 3 in Ujjain. Samples also failed in Katni, Narmadapuram, Dindori, Dhar and Damoh. Official found palm oil and other substance in some samples. The food safety controller has also contacted Gujarat officials. Ghee made by Balaji Dairy Products in Kheda was also found unsafe, and action has been sought. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has spoken about promotions for government employees. He said a decision taken late can also be unfair to employees. The Chief Minister said his government is taking decision by keeping employees' feeling in mind. He said promotion is not just a piece of paper, it is important for the employee's career and future. The promotion process will continue regularly, he said. Employees who are still waiting for promotion will also get it soon. The government will continue new recruitment along with promotions. Vacant posts created after promotions will also be filled. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav will open a new unit of Godrej Consumer Products Limited in Malanpur, Bhind on August 26. More than 450 crore rupees have been invested in the expansion of the unit. The new facility is expected to create more than 2,250 new jobs. The government says the project will support industrial growth and create more work opportunities for local people. The new unit is also expected to strengthen manufacturing activity in the region. The Chief Minister will attend the opening ceremony and officially launch the new facility on Wednesday. Madhya Pradesh has made a new decision on land needed for government projects. Under the new policy, the government can take land through mutual agreement and pay up to 4 times its value. This will apply when land is needed for important government projects. The government has also decided to transfer ownership of 22 major roads to the Madhya Pradesh Road Development Corporation at a nominal price. Another decision focuses on young people who are not working, studying or learning any skill. The government will identify such youth and work on plans to connect them with jobs and skill training. The Madhya Pradesh Employee Selection Board has cancelled the Group 3 recruitment exam for sub-engineers, mapmaker and other similar posts. The board has also cancelled the rule book and application process. A new exam date will be announced separately. Candidates who have already applied online will get their application fee back. The recruitment notice was issued on August 18 for 1040 posts. Application had also started from the same day. After the notice was released, more departments and government organizations sent requests for additional sub-engineer posts. The board will now prepare a fresh recruitment process. The Azad Samaj Party and Bhim Army held a protest at Board Office Square in Bhopal on Tuesday. The protest was held on the birth anniversary of former Union Minister B.P. Mandal. The protest was led by Azad Samaj Party National Core Committee member Damodar Yadav Mandal. The group submitted a 5-point memorandum to Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav. Protesters demanded immediate implementation of 27% OBC reservation in Madhya Pradesh. They also demanded removal of the 13% reservation hold. Party leaders said backward classes should get their rights according to the recommendation of the Mandal Commission. Madhya Pradesh is likely to see active monsoon condition over the next few days. The India Meteorological Department has warned of heavy rain in several parts of the state. East Madhya Pradesh may receive very heavy rain today, while West Madhya Pradesh may also get heavy showers. Thunderstorms, lightning and strong winds are possible in some areas. Districts including Jabalpur, Katni, Raisen, Sagar, Sihor, Shivpuri and Sigrauli are among the areas under a rain watch. People are advised to stay alert during heavy rain and avoid unnecessary travel in waterlogged areas.